It's Mental Health Awareness Week. This year's theme is nature. It's said that spending time interacting with nature can benefit your mental and physical well-being. Here's a brief statement from the Mental Health Foundation's Chief Executive, Mark Rowland, on why nature is the theme for 2021. In the first lockdown, I called an elderly friend. She lives alone. When I asked her how she'd got through it, she told me it was taking daily comfort from watching the birds sing to each other on the fence and the flowers re-emerge from the frosts of winter. During long months of the pandemic, millions of us turned to nature. Our research showed going for walks outside was one of our top coping strategies, and 45% of us reported being in green spaces had been vital for our mental health. Websites which showed footage of wildlife saw hits increase by over 2,000%. Wider studies also found that during lockdowns, people not only spent more time in nature, but were noticing it more. It was as if we were rediscovering at our most fragile point our fundamental human need to connect with nature. Interacting with nature has even been found to help with specific and common mental health complications, such as anxiety and depression. Research into ecotherapy, a formal treatment plan which involves outdoor activities, has been shown to help with mild to moderate cases of depression. This may be due to the combination of physical activity and social contact with being outside in nature. Spending time in natural light can also help with issues such as seasonal affective disorder, which is a form of depression that affects people during particular seasons or periods throughout the year. Simple ways of interacting with nature might include exercising outdoors, which is potentially ideal for those of us who struggle with traditional workout routines, as something simple like going for a walk is low impact and often relaxing. Other options include tending plants and flowers or spending time with animals. Nature is all around us, so although it may seem daunting to some of us, we don't need to retreat to the mountains or travel far to connect with it. Even cities include spots of nature. Here are some tips from the Mental Health Foundation on ways you can improve your connection with nature. Look for the unexpected and try to notice nature wherever you are and in whatever way is meaningful to you. Connect with nature using all of your senses. Quiet time in natural surroundings is a great way to clear your mind, whether this entails sitting in a garden or walking to work. Listen out for birdsong, spot wildlife, take a moment to soak it all in. If you are able to, spend time in natural places such as gardens, forests, beaches, and rivers. Simply being in these environments can help lift your mood. If you feel anxious about being alone, try going outside with a friend or relative, or pick somewhere familiar that you know you're comfortable with. Bring nature to you. Sometimes it might not be easy to access natural places due to a number of factors, such as where you live, how busy you are, health complications, or how safe you feel. Perhaps bringing nature into your home is the answer. Houseplants are a great way to interact with nature without having to go looking for it. If growing plants or flowers isn't your thing, you could try connecting with nature through art, stories, television shows about nature or wildlife, anything that suits your sensibilities and makes you feel calm. For more information on Mental Health Awareness Week, visit the links in the description where you can find helpful resources and ways to get involved in the campaign. Just remember, your mind matters.